Hello guys, welcome to this video. And in this video I'm going to show you guys like how to actually earn money from Boomplay using one of the best music distributor in the world. So I'm going to take you guys how we are going to do it and exactly how it works in Boomplay, how the money gets paid to artists. So let's begin. If you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my future videos about Boomplay and other musical stores. So let's get to the video. Okay, now how do Boomplay actually pays artists? Okay, so for now you actually want to upload your music to Boomplay. Okay, you are going to use a music distributor which is called TuneCore. Okay, TuneCore is a digital music distributor that is 100% secure, and they guarantee you that they are going to upload your music to all the stores that you select when you are uploading your music through TuneCore, so that it can be uploaded across all stores. So if you want to learn about how to upload your music to TuneCore, you can click the card above, the one you can see above. Click the card, then it will direct you on how you can actually upload your music to TuneCore so that it can be distributed to other music services like Boomplay, Spotify, etc. So let me explain how it works now, how Boomplay actually pays artists. Okay, now inside the artist homepage, the one that are marked free and the one that are not marked free actually operate the same way, because as an artist, when you upload your music through TuneCore and it gets distributed to Boomplay, once somebody streams your music, like for example you stream a music that is VIP or not VIP, once you stream that music, that artist that owns that music gets paid directly. So they are going to get paid when you actually stream their music, because Boomplay actually pays in certain amount of plays or certain amount of streams that it gets. It actually pays artists. So that is how it actually works. The one that are free and the one that are not free, they all operate the same way, because once a subscriber in YouTube actually plays your music or streams your music, then you will get a share out of it, and that money will go directly to TuneCore. Then TuneCore will actually give you the money, because there is not a direct way for Boomplay to actually give you the money directly in their page. So they will use TuneCore as a medium for them to actually give you the money. If you check at the above card right there, I explained the process of how TuneCore actually gives you or distribute the money to you. Click the card above, it have all the explanation there. I explained it in my previous video. So that is how it actually works. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe, tap the screen and do subscribe. Thank you.